Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I'm a Gel Moment independent distributor. How's everybody doing? I am really excited about this manicure. Can you tell? Can you sense the excitement in my voice? I love summer and I want to wear all the bright colors, and because my manicures last up to 3 weeks, I don't have time. The summer's not long enough where I live where I can wear all the bright colors. So I am now doing some funky swirly tips that incorporates a whole bunch of fun colors, and I'd love to show you how to do it. Let's get right to it. Great thing about the shape of these tips is that you can actually use the brush from the bottle to create the majority of your shape. I then use one dotting tool to kind of draw it down to get those finer dips. So let's use the brush. And the shape can be whatever you like. I'm just going to do a random shape on my tip. Let's give that a full cure. All right, now that that is fully dry, I'm going to take a little bit of the mint gelato using this eye shaped. It's not really like the round dotting tip, it's a little bit almond shaped. I find that I can get the tips, or sorry, the lines a little bit more precise. I like that. We'll stick with that and we'll give that a cure. Next, we're going to use a little bit of Meet Me at the Chapel here, but you can use Lovey Dovey as well. And I have a really small dotting tool here, and just make a little line that goes underneath this design and just make it your own. There's really no rhyme or reason on how to draw it. Just do what feels good and what looks good to you. Okay, we're going to give that a full cure. Now, to finish off this look, we're going to use a little bit of matter effect on top to give that matte finish. And don't forget to cap that edge. Let's give that a full cure. And here's the finished look. I just love it. So I'm going to carry on with Orchid, Majestique, and Capri Fantasy on this finger. And stay tuned for the end of this video so that you can see pictures of the final product. And thank you so much for watching. If you would like to hit that subscribe button or like button, I would love that. And stay tuned for my next video. Ciao, ciao.